What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest updated Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. And for start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on Delta Executor so it should load up, and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here, and Blockspan will never ask you for your password. So we'll just continue with our public info. I'll go with my Roblox username and click connect to server. So guys, you should get this. So if it's your account, just click connect and wait until it connects, and there we go. Now we can import Delta Executor fully. Just click there, and guys, if you want, you can select optional custom scripts to import along your Delta. So I will go with Solix Hub and Snowy Hub. You can also Google them and see what they do, what features do they support, and I'll just go with this, click continue, and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to comment down below your comment key, and I will reply you with a unique key if you cannot generate it. And look at this, Delta imported, activated, we got our key, two scripts selected. Look at this, guys, nice. And now we'll have to click verify and complete now, because there are many bots and many malicious attempts. Just click verify and complete now, and let's see what we will get after this. There we go, guys, imported. Look at this, Delta Executor successfully imported. Our username is there, two scripts selected, and unique key generated, which is most important there. So guys, just click copy key, and before you get this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks from the list. But don't worry, guys, because all tasks are free and safe, and you can complete it under 2 minutes of your time. So after you complete two tasks, you will get redirected to this imported page automatically with your username, your script selected, and your unique key generated. Guys, just click copy and close this page. Let's open our Roblox and let's make sure that it actually works. Okay, I'm literally shaking right now, because let's see. I will open Block Streets, for example, and let's see, guys, are we actually importing our Delta? And look at this, we got our Delta Executor there. Look at this, there we go. Let me select this, guys, and then I will just paste this, and we paste our key, as you can see, guys, and just click continue, and it should work. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta, guys. It actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, we got fully working Delta Executor. Now we can do whatever we like, guys. You can search for scripts, you can import more scripts. Like, let's search for block scripts like this, and look how many scripts you have. You can do whatever you like, guys. Like, you can go with this and click execute and test scripts, guys. You can visit their websites and claim there, and look at this, you can do now whatever you like. I'm so excited because this actually worked, guys. As I said, if you cannot generate your key, just comment down below key, and I will reply you with a unique key. I will generate it for you, so don't worry, guys. Just like this video, and that's pretty much it. If you want to remove Delta Executor, just reinstall your Roblox, and that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you don't, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.